You gonna shoot the target?
Yes.
Okay. Mason, come on, Mason. Can you stop for a second? He's trying to hook up his bow. You got it figured out? You almost there? Okay, now you got it knocked. Turn it around. All right, now listen, on the count of 3, I'm going to tell you to shoot, okay? 1, 2, look at the target. 3. All right, let's go see if you hit the target.
I did it.
Come on.
Okay.
How far is that? Is that about 40 yards?
Yes.
Let's go see if you hit the target.
I almost hit the target.
Okay.
That far. Oh, there it is.
No, that's not yours.
Why?
That's a broken arrow. Come on.
Okay.
Let's go find your arrow. I think you hit the target. It sure sounded like it. Let's see if it's in the target.
It's not.
I think you hit the target. Oh, you did. Look. Look how close you got. That's a 3-year-old baby making a 40-yard shot with his little Bear Jr. bow. He got it, Mom. Can you get it out?
Yes. I can't think I can.
That's pretty amazing. Well, you'll take it out. Here, let me help you. I'll help you take it out. Set your target up again and we'll try again, okay? Here's your arrow. All right.
Yes!
Did you get the bullseye?
Yes!
He made a 40-yard shot
Yeah.
with his little Bear Jr. bow.
Get out of here.
He did. And he's going to try again.
I got that arrow. That was mine.
He's going to try it again.
Are you a professional now?
I'm still hungry.
You're a hunter.
Come here.
You're still a hunter?
Come here. Over here. You got to stand here.
Let me see you do it again. You gonna do it again? I don't believe you.
We're going to shoot all the way 40 yards down there to that little white speck right there. And see a 3-year-old kid make a 40-yard shot. Come on. You can do it. Come over here. Okay. You got it knocked?
I got this eye.
All right. Now on 3, we're going to shoot again. Okay?
Sure you can
Make
do
sure you're watching your target. 1, 2. Okay, hold on. Let's start the count over. Draw on it. 1, 2. Look at your target. 3.
Got this thing.
All right, let's try again. Let's go see what you got. Let's go see what you got. Come on. It sounded like you made contact to me. It sounded to me like you hit the target. He's on the race. He's on the race. All right, we're at about 20 yards now. Did you hit it again? Where'd you hit it? Oh, let me see. Let me see. Well, you took it out already. I wanted to get a video of where it was. Well, folks, he hit it right down here, if you can see that. At 40 yards, he's 3 years old. Oh, there's the hole. 3 years old, 40 yards with, pick up your bow.
Yes.
Is that your bow there?
Yes.
Is that your little bear bow? He hit it with a Bear Junior bow at 40 yards.
Are you a real hunter?
That's amazing.